I have this natural weathered wood. I get this in a 2-pack from Hobby Lobby. It measures 48 inches long, but I cut mine to 41 inches, and it's 5.5 inches wide. And I'm going to start by using some Wise Owl white primer, and I prime the entire board. Now I have these yardsticks. I get these from Lowe's, and I'm going to cut them so I have a piece that is the width, which is 5.5 inches. I'm then going to mark 5 inches down from the top of my board and 5 inches up from the bottom of the board. And I'm going to place those pieces that we cut on both the top and bottom where we measured off. Now, if you cannot cut anything, you can use popsicle sticks or pick a thinner wood that you can just use a pair of cutting shears to cut the wood to the size needed. Now, this weathered wood is a very rough wood. It's not even perfectly straight. So I did have to clamp these down until the glue dried, and if you have to add a small screw through the back side to hold it down, you can do that as well. Now, once all the paint was fully dry, I then took my Wise Owl Snow Owl and I went on top of the primer. Now, the primer is a good option just because this is a natural weathered wood. You may get a little bit of staining, especially when using white. So the primer will help block any of that wood stain through the white paint. And I gave this a really good coat. You can also give it a second coat if you choose to. Next, I found these really cute napkins from TJ Maxx. They have little lemons on them. Now, I must have been messing with this napkin because one full napkin does have 4 lemons on it, so I'm just going to open that up. And then I will cut each lemon out so they are by themselves. And you do have to remove the layer of a napkin whenever decoupaging. So that's just the layer on the back side that peels off, so you just have the first layer. Now I'm going to be using my Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear, and I'm going to put a coat down and then lay my first lemon napkin at the top. I rub very lightly. And then I'm going to take a piece of saran wrap, lay that on top, and I'm going to use my brayer to roll out any wrinkles. This also helps adhere it to the board well. And then you want to follow up with another coat of the 1 Hour Enamel Clear. And I did that down the entire board, rotating the side that the leaf on the lemon laid. And I fit 5 napkins down the center of the board. And you want to make sure you use your 1 Hour Enamel Clear to top coat everything. You can also use your Wise Owl varnish or some Mod Podge. Next, I'm going to spell out the word hello. I get these letters right from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have some larger half wood beads. I get these right off of Amazon. I want to say these are about the 20 millimeter size. And I'm going to paint everything with some Wise Owl black. Now, when creating this board, you can certainly pick any colors of your choice. We have a variety of different colors with our Wise Owl paint, and all that can be found right on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And I want everything to fully dry. Once everything was fully dry, I'm then going to glue down my letters, and I'm going to place 1 letter in each lemon. Now, you want to make sure everything is dry or the glue will not adhere well, and you can also use wood glue if you choose to. I then took my half wood beads, and just to make this a little more decorative, I glued 4 on both the top and bottom. And there we go. Now we have this very easy hello lemon sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.